Okay, so there's my bushing out. Now, I know that there's two different sizes of these, and I don't have a meter to check that. Ironically, I was just looking for one the other day. So, I'm going to bring the good one because I'm going to replace both sides at one time. I'm going to bring the good one up there to the parts store to get a sizing. So, here we go. And I'm trying to use a 1/4" drive, and that may not work with this. Yeah, don't act like it wants to use no 1/4" drive. It's alright. We'll upgrade to 3/8 drive. Okay. Now, before I completely take that out, I'll break the other one loose as well. Air wrench is a lot faster. But yeah, so for sake of video, it'd be faster, but at the same time, a lot of people don't have an air wrench, so I won't use my air wrench on this. That's not to say I'll never use my air wrench in projects. I will. I try to keep it pretty basic for the most part on most of my videos. So this one's no exception. Now I'll probably have to loosen the other one just to make it come down, but we'll see if I can get it without doing that. Okay. Come on off of there. If I can. I didn't have that until. Okay, I'm prying with a screwdriver just to hold it down enough to get it off the side here and then pull it off. Alright, so there it is. It's cracked on one side. And we'll go with that. And by the way, I've checked the ends down there where they come in, and they look alright. Where the end of it comes in right there, they look alright. Don't need to be changed. Okay, since I'm going to take this side off, I'm going to go ahead and loosen it up and then put the bushings on. Now, this truck, they say there's two different bushings, and it's like a 30 and a 31 millimeter hole or something. They said, in other words, they're right there together, so they didn't know which one went on it. I brought this good one up there to compare, but I still wasn't quite sure, so who knows. I don't know why they would make two of them for the same model that are that close, but they did. He said it showed up as like 31.4 when he tried to meter it, and this is the 31, so it's the larger one of the two. So I'm going to put it on, but like I say, first I'm going to go ahead and loosen this other side, just because it gives me more slack to play with. But no other reason really, other than that. Alright. Now, I don't know if I'm out of frame here or not, because of the angle I'm at. I can't tell what's going on there. Well, this one's not all ground. Of course, this one has the oil bills on it, but here's all the other one. Now, see, I don't want to take it all the way down because I don't want the bar to drop. So I'm going to loosen this one up for now, get the other one in, and then start snugging it back up. Then put this one, take it off, and put the new one on it. See, that way I get play both ways. So that's what I'm doing. So we got to get this to go over it. Try to do it without tearing it, because we don't want it to tear. Won't be able to rooting for it to tear now, don't you do it. See, that don't seem wide enough, but I guess it is. Okay, I'm not filling the hole, and that's important. Alright, no comments, people. No comments. Alright. You are a pain, aren't you? Yep. Well, stop being a pain. Yep. Make me. Fuck. Want to cross thread it. Don't act like it'd be hard to do either. Cross thread it. Okay, so got that, but now we got to get it to come over. So I can put this one in wherever it is. Okay. Get over. Okay. Yeah. Hope it works. No, I don't like the way that fits up in there at all. But I'm going to leave it loose like that until I get the other side on. That is the bigger of the two, so it should fit. It shouldn't be too tight. Okay, fun. We get to take this one off. Always fun to take off stuff. Let's move that camera back, some people. It's just in the way. We can't have it in the way. Alright, here we go. There's just no way to put it in there and leave the 1/2 on. And I'll see what I'd trying to line it up. Because the way this thing goes around the rubber bushing, you know, the rubber bushing has this deep part, so you couldn't just sneak it up in there. You gotta take this all the way off. Okay. Get out of there. I'll see you at the very end. Come on. Get off of there. Wore out junk. Well, you definitely seen better days. It just looks like it's so much better than this, thicker, everything. But who knows? It just seems like it's so much better than this quality of this. I don't know if quality is the word I should use. Well, it almost seems like it would tear just putting it on. With all this high quality. Ow! Pinch my finger. Okay, let's try this again. Get on there. We kind of work it on there like this. Alright, there's that hole. We have to introduce this to that. And let them get to know each other a little bit. Okay, they seem to be getting along. Okay. Now, while it's still loose and pliable, let's try to coax this one in there. I know I'm going to have to move it over, but well, that's almost too easy. Just trying to pull that not wrong. So it's coming on down like it's supposed to. That's alright. We'll get it from back here. We'll get it. It'll all work out. Okay, snugged up good. I should have done the back first, completely, and then snug the front. So that will close together better, but it'll be all right. Okay. Back to this one over here. This one, I'll walk back down some. Now this is a tighter one. So I'm gonna watch it a little closer. Okay. again. So that's the bigger one of the two. Why has it got such a crack in it? It is supposed to have. Don't know, but it's on there. So there you go, folks. On there. See the outside. Same thing over here. It's on there. And that's it, folks. That's your outer or inner stabilizer bushings.